Hi everyone, welcome to SGR Online Learning Center. In this video, I am going to explain about gaining ratio. In the previous video, we discussed about sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is applicable for admission of partners. Now come to the point, what is the meaning of gaining ratio? Whenever a partner leaves the partnership firm, either by retirement or death, his part of share is taken over by the continuing partners based on certain ratio. This is what called as gaining ratio. Okay. This gaining ratio is applicable for retirement as well as the death of a partner. This gaining ratio is calculated by applying this formula, that is new ratio minus old ratio. In retirement, it is necessary to make adjustment in the profit sharing ratio of the continuing partners. This adjustment is given in two scenarios. First one is nothing is mentioned about the new profit sharing ratio. That is, the new profit sharing ratio of the continuing partners will not be given in the question. Second one, the remaining partners purchase the share of the retiring partner in some proportion. That is, the ratio in which the continuing partners are going to take over the share of the retiring partner will be given in the question. Let's see these methods one by one. Let's see the first method now. First method is when new profit sharing ratio of the continuing partners are not given. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 6:2:2. X retires, calculate the new ratio. In this question, no information is given regarding the new profit sharing ratio of continuing partners. In this case, the old ratio remains as a new profit sharing ratio. Okay. X is the retiring partner and Y and Z are the continuing partners. As no information is given regarding the new profit sharing ratio, the old ratio, that is 2:2, remains as a new profit sharing ratio. So in this case, further calculation of the new profit sharing ratio of the continuing partner is not required. The old ratio remains as a new profit sharing ratio. Clear? Let's see the second method now. Second method is the ratio in which the continuing partners going to take up the retiring partner's share will be given in the question. Okay. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6. C retires and his share was taken up by A and B in the ratio of 2:1. This is what the ratio in which the continuing partners are going to take up the share of the retiring partner. With this information, we are required to calculate the new ratio as well as the gaining ratio. Let's do the calculation now. Here we have taken the profit sharing ratio of all the partners including the retiring partner. The profit sharing ratio of each partner is 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6. Since the ratio is given in fraction, in order to simplify it, we have to take LCM now. Only then the denominator will be converted into 6. Now 1/2 is multiplied by 3/3. Only then the A's share becomes 3/6. And B's share is 1/3, which is multiplied by 2/2 in order to make this denominator as 6. Therefore, B's share becomes 2/6 and C's share is 1/6. After simplifying it, the share of all the partners are 3:2:1. Who is the retiring partner? C is the retiring partner. His profit sharing ratio is 1/6. This 1/6 share is taken up by A and B based on the ratio of 2:1. Now we need to calculate the part of share which has been taken up by A and B based on this ratio. Now we calculate it. Retiring partner share is 1 divided by 6, of which A is going to take up 2/3. That is, continuing partners are taken over the retiring partner share based on this ratio, that is 2:1. In such a case, A is going to take up 2/3 share on retiring partner's share. Therefore, 2/18 is the part of share which has been taken up by A from C's share. For B, retiring partner share is 1/6, of which 1/3 is taken up by him. Therefore, the part of share taken up by B is 1 divided by 18. Now we need to calculate the new ratio of these continuing partners. New ratio is found out by adding this part of share which has been taken up from the retiring partner along with their old ratio. Okay. Therefore, A's old ratio is how much? 3 divided by 6. Along with it, the part of share which has been taken up from the retiring partner, that is 2 divided by 18, will be added. Here we have to take LCM. Therefore, 3 by 6 is multiplied by 3 by 3. In such a case, 9 plus 2 divided by 18. Therefore, the new ratio of A is 11 divided by 18. For B, his old ratio is 2 divided by 6. Along with it, the part of share which he has taken from C will be added. That is 1 divided by 18. Again we take LCM. Therefore, 2 divided by 6 is multiplied by 3 by 3. In such a case, 6 plus 1 divided by 18 equal to 7 divided by 18 is the new ratio of B. Therefore, the new ratio of A and B is 11:7. Next one is calculation of gaining ratio. Gaining ratio is found out by applying this formula, that is new ratio minus old ratio. Gaining ratio is calculated for the continuing partners only. In this case, the continuing partners are A and B. A's new ratio is 11 divided by 18 minus his old ratio 3 by 6. Therefore, 11 divided by 18 minus, let's take LCM. Therefore, 3 divided by 6 is multiplied by 3 by 3. Therefore, 11 minus 9, that is 3 into 3, 9 divided by 18 equal to 2 divided by 18 is the gaining ratio of A. For B, his new ratio is 7 divided by 18 minus his old ratio 2 divided by 6. Let's take LCM. Therefore, this 2 by 6 is multiplied by 3 by 3. Therefore, 2 into 3, 6 divided by 18. Therefore, 7 minus 6 divided by 18 equal to 1 divided by 18. Therefore, the gaining ratio of A and B is 2:1.